This is 134B. Another freshly renovated studio. This one's got a great workspace. Alexa's on board for most of the controls.
I don't have an answer for that.
As you can hear, Alexa is on board for most of the controls. You have to whisper so she doesn't hear you. Breaker box. Stand-up bar. Electric stove. Size bed, lots of storage. This is a workspace, and this is a normal desk setup, unless you want a stand-up desk, in which case you just select the button, and it goes to wherever you want. Air conditioning, of course. No couch and appliances. What's that? PS something? Your balcony, tranquilo. Another workspace if you like it. Spot for 2 chairs. Shows very nicely. Well, that's not a PS anything. This looks like an Xbox maybe. Washing machine in a newly renovated bathroom. Nicely done. Can't even see the shower head and the faucets. Everything blends in. Lots of wood trim detailing. Is that a smart mirror? Everything seems to be in place. Looking good. Not really for sale, but I mean, everything's for sale. Nice little spot.